Hello everybody, so today I wanted to show you a little video, and this video is inspired by my student Leah, and I'm just going to start teaching and showing how to play Appassionata by Beethoven. It's a very simple beginning few notes for a person of any level. I know that you might think that you have to wait to learn it, but you can start anywhere, any day, anytime. And I'm just gonna show those few notes, and if you want some more, just comment down below that you'd like to see some more notes and you enjoy learning it, or else you will just have this introduction. So this is my right hand and this is my left hand, and this is the piano. It's a 88 keys piano. It has the black keys and it has the white keys. If you're an advanced student, just let me know that you want more advanced tutorial or stay here. This is a black keys that have 3 black keys group and black keys that have 2 black keys group. I'm gonna refer to these today to make it simple, not to use any musical names. So we go to the middle 2 black keys, which is usually next to the writing on the piano, whatever the brand is, and we slide to the left, finding middle C. You're going to press it with pinky of the right hand, just like you press a key on a computer. And you're going to press it and just get ready there. For the left hand, you will find the same key that looks to the left of 2 black keys, but now what you're gonna do, you're going to actually find it more to the left. So not here, but this next one. So you skip 2 black keys to the left from your pinky of the right hand, and you go to the next 2 black keys, you slide to the left, that's how you find your C, and use your thumb. You press them. And voila, you have the first note of the Beethoven Appassionata. Then with finger 3 of both hands, which is middle finger, you're going to press the middle black key out of the 3 black keys to the left of where you are. And then you find the leftmost key from the 3 black keys, and you slide to the left of it. So on the left from the 3 black keys, the one that's touching it, that's called F. You're gonna press with pinky on the left hand and pinky on the right, and 1 on the right hand, that key. So that was the first 3 notes. So on the left of 2 black keys, C, then middle black key, A flat. You don't need to understand it yet, and then F and F, which is left of 3 black keys. Then you come back where you came from, middle black key, left hand use ring finger this time, and right hand use finger index. Come back to the note we came from, which was middle of the piano, this Do, with finger 2, which is index, and 3, which is middle in the left and right hands. And then you see that F on the left of the 3 black keys, you find it on the right. So on the right from where you are, there are 3 black keys group, and you slide to the left down from it, and you press pinky for the right and thumb for the left. At this point, you did this much. I explained all the fingers, all you need to know is how fast to play it, and that was it. While you're holding pinky in the right and thumb in the left, flip to the pinky in the left and thumb in the right, just like that. While you're holding it, you just switch the fingers. So you press together. This is how you switch fingers, finger exchange. So you work this outer right finger, then you touch the outer left finger and let go. So that way you spread. And now we're gonna keep going the same trajectory. Left hand middle black key out of the 3 black keys, and right hand middle black key out of the 3 black keys. Left hand ring finger, right hand index finger, you move into the right, press. And then that C on the left of 2 black keys that we have, that's the next on the right. And again you press that F on the left of 3 black keys with the most right finger of both hands. So what we learned was, and I encourage you to press the pedal, either the single pedal you have in the piano or the most right pedal if you have 3 or 2, and you press it and go pressing gently. You can clean it up by going up and down the pedal when you feel like it's too dirty or something. So this was just the first few notes of Beethoven Appassionata for complete beginner. If you want to learn more or you're an advanced student, you need any help, just let me know and we can arrange something. I don't teach for money, so if you get to have a lesson with me, if we both agree to have a lesson on Skype or on Zoom or Facebook Messenger, I won't be charging you for the lesson. But you can feel free to, at any point in your learning, to have a gift of money that you want to give me, but that shouldn't be connected to the lesson. That will be absolutely independent, and absolutely you decide all of this by yourself. So right now, I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know where you are in your piano and what kind of help you might need. And maybe you don't need a lot of time. Maybe you need like 20 minutes of a quick explanation, and that's all you need, and then you're good to go by yourself. So I'm here if you need me, but do let me know and we'll connect soon.